How to unlock apps on Android and regain access to locked application. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Settings application on your phone. Now scroll down and tap Privacy option. Now next to Permission select Privacy and under Privacy Protection there is three option App Lock, Hide Apps and Private Save. In order to access these applications or options, you have to enter your biometrics or privacy password. And then you will reach on this app lock section. To view all your locked application and unlocked application, you need to make sure to toggle the button on for app lock. If you toggle the button off, then you won't be able to use other features and lock any app. So let's toggle the button on and you will see the locked option next to all. Select that and here you will see all your locked application. So in order to regain access to this locked app, toggle the button off. And after that you will successfully unlock apps on Android. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.